How to delete all comments on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can delete all comments on Facebook. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's begin. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Then you can go to the bottom right corner on the menu. Then tap on your profile. After you tap on your profile, tap on the three dots right here. Then you can go to your activity log. After you're on your activity log, you'll find your Facebook activity. You can expand on that and you should see your comments and reactions. Tap on manage, and from here you can select all of your comments and all of your reactions, from which you can then simply start deleting stuff. You can start selecting and deleting all together as well. So let's delete that. And finally the last one. And there we go. And that's how you can delete all of your comments on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.